Alright, it's currently 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to San Francisco. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. So me and Lauren right now, we're about to fly to Dallas. Yeah, we're actually going to fly to Dallas and then transfer to San Francisco. 5:20 a.m. right now. It's super early. There's not too many people here. So I think we're just chilling in these like really cool lounge seats.
Yeah, I think it's like
There's like lounge seats. Probably think maybe like take a quick little nap, do some time lapses here. We'll see. You know, we'll take you guys on the trip to San Fran. It's very possible I'll combine like today's vlog and tomorrow in San Francisco together into one single video. So I'm sure that's what you guys will see. 4-hour flight to Dallas and then another 4-hour flight from Dallas to San Francisco. It's gonna be a long day. I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. And yeah, take you guys along the journey here.
That's good.
What's up, guys? So we finally made it to San Francisco at our hotel, which is called Stay Pineapple. I think it's a really cool concept. Like literally everything is pineapple-fied. We'll call it that. Literally everything's pineapple-fied. I'll show you guys a quick little sequence right now. So right now it is currently, 7 p.m. already.
yes.
It's because over in Dallas, something happened to the plane.
Yeah.
There was like a rupture in the cargo holding.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell is that? So then we sat in that plane for like an hour and a half, went out of the plane, switched to a different plane, and then flew over here. So it's been super tiring. We're starving. There is coffee here. So I'm probably going to make a coffee first, and then we're going to get some food. We'll catch you guys when we grab some food.